If you land on this channel and you're not sure where to start, this video is for you. I want to show you exactly what's inside a free course I built called Fat Loss Fundamentals, and why I think it's the most important thing you can do before you try another diet. My name is Michael Fouts. I'm a registered dietitian and certified personal trainer, and I work with hundreds of clients on fat loss. And I think I hear more than anything, more than I can't stick to a diet, more than I don't have time, is I don't understand why this isn't working. That's a problem I built this course to solve. Not a workout plan, not a meal plan. The actual biology behind why fat loss works, why most diets fail, and what to do instead. There's 4 modules and it's completely free. Module 1 is called Why Fat Loss Feels Confusing. And the goal of this module is simple. It's to break the old habits and beliefs of what's keeping you stuck and holding you back. The diet industry is worth billions of dollars, and a lot of that money is made by keeping you confused. So conflicting advice, new trends every 6 months, miracle foods, or foods to avoid, is designed to make you keep buying the next thing. This module cuts through that. We take a look at the most common diet myths, why most diets fail structurally, and why the confusion you feel isn't your fault. It's the starting point for everything else. And the second module is the science of fat loss. I know that sounds dry, but I promise it's not that bad, because once you understand what's actually happening in your body when you lose fat, everything else makes a lot more sense. We cover things like energy balance, what it actually means and what it doesn't mean. We talk about what drives fat loss versus what drives muscle loss. And we look at why the scale sometimes isn't the best thing to measure for progress and what to track instead. This is the module where people usually tell me things start to click for the first time. Module 3 is one where I work a lot with clients, more as a dietitian, but it's the hunger problem. So how do we manage that while in a caloric deficit? Here's the thing, hunger isn't a willpower issue. It's a biological signal. When you restrict calories without a strategy, your body physically fights back. A hormone called ghrelin goes up, leptin goes down, and your brain gets louder about food. This is not weakness, this is just physiology. This module explains exactly what's happening when you get those cravings at 9 p.m. and why every diet feels fine for 2 weeks and then falls apart, and what you can actually do about it. This is the module that changes how people see themselves. They stop blaming themselves and start fixing the actual problem. And then with module 4, it's what actually works. This is where we put it all together. The habits, the structure, the mindset shifts that make fat loss sustainable. Not a 30-day challenge, a system that works even on your worst days, not just on your best ones. And by the end of this module, I have a clear picture of what your approach to fat loss should actually look like, built around your life and not some ideal version of it. Why is this free? Honestly, because I think everyone should have access to this information before they spend money on a program, a coach, or a supplement. If you understand the foundation, make better decisions. You stop wasting money on things that don't work. And if you want to go deeper after this, either by working with me or joining a community that I run, you'll be starting from a much better place. The course lives inside a free community called Nutrition and Fitness Collective that I run. When you sign up, you'll get the course and you get access to the group where you can ask questions, follow along, and connect with other people doing the same work. The link for the course is in the description. It takes about 30 seconds to sign up, and you can start the first module right away. So if you've been spinning your wheels on fat loss, start here. That's exactly what I built this course for.